Introducing VCB-023 Window 4 Breeze Blocks by Viet Tiles, a perfect blend of aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability. As shown in this stunning project, the Window 4 design features clean, balanced square openings that allow natural light and air to flow freely while maintaining a subtle sense of privacy. Handmade from high-quality cement, each block is crafted with care to ensure lasting durability and an elegant finish. This design is ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications, and fits beautifully within tropical, minimalist, or contemporary architectural styles. Whether used as a feature wall, facade screen, or room divider, Window 4 adds a sophisticated yet understated touch to any space. Beyond its visual appeal, the Breeze Block helps reduce reliance on artificial lighting and air conditioning, making it an eco-conscious choice for modern living. The play of sunlight and shadows throughout the day brings your space to life in a dynamic and natural way. Discover the elegance of VCB-023 Window 4, where design meets purpose. With Viet Tiles, we create not just products, but architectural elements that inspire and endure.